Hello my dear friends, today we will be discuss about the fourth exercise of linear equation in one variable of standard 8. Okay my dear friends, in exercise 3, in the previous exercise we just know that how to solve the equation by step methods. Now if equation is given, then how you will be find out the value of the variable. But if a statement is given, then how you will be form a equation and how you will be solve the how you will be find the variable values. Okay now, so from your chapters I am taking some of the examples so that you can understood it very easily. Okay my dear friends, in the previous class on the second chapter I just told you, in the previous class of second chapter I just told you, whatever the statement is given, whenever you are converting the statement into equation, you have to read the question very carefully and read it twice so that you can find the values. Okay, so here it is there. First one is that statement is the bigger one, but it is the easier one. Okay now, here it's saying that Amina think of a number. What is saying that? Amina think of a number. Okay, what is the number it is? Is it saying anything else? No. Amina think that the number is X. Okay, Amina think that a number is subtracted, or it will subtracted from 5/2 from it. Subtracted means what? Otherwise I will write the sentence so that you can easily understand. Okay, Amina think of a number and subtract. How much? It's saying that 5/2 from it. How much he subtracted? 5/2 from it. Okay, and then what she did? She multiply hot 8. I think 8. Multiply the result. Multiply the result by 8. Result by 8. Okay. Again, whatever the result obtained, the obtained result is how much it will be? 3 times. 3 times more than she thought what's the number. Okay, now this is the statement it is given. You have to read the statement very carefully my dear friends. Okay, first one, break the statements into small parts, and it is important to highlight the main parts. Amina think of a number. Is the number is given? No. If the number is not given, what you have tried? It is X. Okay, and subtract 5/2 from it. How much she subtract? 5/2 from it. Okay, this much is over. Subtract 5/2 from it. She multiply the result, whatever the result is came, result by 8. Multiply the result by 8. Understood my dear friends? Okay, result by 8. This is the statement up to here. You have to read it very carefully my dear friends. The obtained result, whatever the result is came, result is 3 times more than she thought. Then what is the result she is saying? 3 times of the result whatever it came. Means whatever the number will come here, he just think how much? what? 3 times of that number it is. Okay. Now the statement it is formed here, my dear friends. Now what you have to do? You have to solve it. So that I have make it into 2 parts so that it will be easier for you to understand one by one. So what is given? 8 into x minus 5 by 2 is equal to 3x. This is the equation it is formed. Okay. So before doing any equation, you have to read the statement and form the equation in correct manner so that you will get the answer in a correct manner. Okay. So here what you have to do? You have to be multiply the variable. Otherwise, whatever the constants are there, you have to take it out by 2 methods: balancing as well as shifting method. Okay. Let's do it by balancing method. Okay. Or let's multiply it. 8x minus 8 into 5 by 2 is equal to 3x. Okay. 2 4s are 8. Yes or no? So 8x minus 4 5s are 20 is equal to 3x. It will better that you just shift it. Shift means it is correct. Means variable will come into one side and constant will go into the other side. So 8x will be as it is. This 3x is in plus side. When it is coming to the opposite side with consumer, it will be minus. And this constant is in minus side. When it is going to that side, it becomes plus. So what is the result is came here? It is came as 8x minus 3x is equal to 20. Now subtract how much it will come here? It is 5x is equal to 20. Here 5 is there. Either you just divide it or what? Divide both the side 5. Whatever you can do it. 5 5 cancel, 5 4, x is equal to 4. So what is the value of x? X is equal to 4. So what is the think of the number? The number is 4. Understood, my dear friends? So this is the process of how to study the statement and turn the statement into a what? In the equation form. Okay, my dear friends? So remember this, if you have studied the statement carefully, then you will get the right equation and you can solve it very easily. Okay? Now, shall I will discuss another one? Okay. Let's discuss another one. Okay? First we have to write the question first. The next question is the number 5th question. Okay? Shobu's mother present age is 6 times Shobu's present age. What is that? Shobu's mother's present age is mother's present age is 6 times more than Shobu's present age. Okay, how much it is saying that? It's saying that Shobu's mother's present age is 6 times Shobu's present age. Again, he's saying that Shobu age 5 years from now. Shobu age 5 years from now. Now will be 1/3 of his mother's present age. Of his mother's present age. Okay, he says he is asking that what that present is. Okay, now he saying that what is that? What is their present age? Remember, this is the statement is given, my dear friends. First, read the statement carefully. Shobu's mother's present age is 6 times more than Shobu's present age, whose age is not given. It is saying that 6 times of Sobu's age it is saying. But what is the present age of Sobu is given? No. Let Sobu's age is X. Whatever the statement is not given, you have to take it as X. Okay. So Sobu's age is not given. Sobu's present is not given. That's why I have to write here X. Now again it's saying that. If Sobu's age, again read it. If Sobu's age is present is X, then what is his mother's age? His mother age is 6 times of Sobu's age. 6 times of Sobu's age means 6 of X. 6 times multiplication of 6. Yes or no? So it's saying that this much is it is over. Okay. Now it is correct. Now my statement is correct. If Sobu age X, her mother is how much? 6X. Okay. Now it's saying that Sobu's age 5 years from now. 5 years from now means from the present to the what? Future. Means it is added. Okay. 5 years from now. How much? Will be 1/3 of his mother's present age. 1/3 of his mother's present age means what? Mother's present age is this much. Then how much it is? 1/3 of means into of 6x. Okay. First read the statement carefully. It is which number it is? Maybe 5 or 6, whatever it will be. Okay, now you just find out. Okay. We just discuss the sum here. Okay. First, the statement you have to read, break into half and half, then state. After formation of the equation, you have to read it once again whether our equation is correct or not. Sobu's mother's present age is 6 times more than Sobu's present age. Sobu's mother age is 6 times of Sobu's age. Is Sobu's age is given? No. Then what we have to take? We have to take Sobu's age as X. Then her mother is how much? 6X, 6 times of his present age, 6 times of Sobu's age. Again she is saying that from the present age, it's saying that from now, Sobu's age is 5 years from now. 5 years from now means from present is to the future. How much? Added 5 years. Okay, 5 years from now. Present which means 1 means after 5 years it is 6. Okay. So it is what? 1/3 of his mother's present age. 1/3 of his mother's age means 1/3 of 6x. So our statement is formed. Okay. Now solve it. How? X plus 5 is equal to. Here two processes are there, my dear friends. Either balance or what? Shifting. Okay. So 3 is here. 3 2s are 6. How much? 2x. Now change the what? Variable one side and constant one side. What it will be? With the x, what it will be there? We have to bring 2x. Okay? 2x. Two process I am doing here. I will do here two process. Whatever it will be for you, you just do that one. Okay? So here it is coming x plus 5. Let's take two statements. Okay? Which is equal to 1/3 of 6x. X plus 5 is equal to 1/3 of 6x. Here two process I will do it. Whatever it is easy for you, you just try that one, my dear friends. How much? That you can cut it here, 2x. Okay? Means how much it is coming? X plus 5 is equal to how much it is? 2x. Then bring, what is that? 5 is equal to 2x minus x. Always smaller will go into the bigger side. Remember this one. If plus sign will be there, means make it as it is. If plus going to the minus side, you have to change that one according to the bigger and smaller. Okay. So how much it will be? Now 5 is equal to 2x minus x is equal to x, or x is equal to 5. This x is what? It is Subhu's x. What about her mother's x? It is 6 times of Subhu's x. Then 6x is how much? 6 into 5. It is 30 years. Okay, years. Because it's asking about the age, that's why you have to write in the years form. Okay. This is the one method. Another method is what? Here another method is what? 3 is divided here. When it is going to the opposite side, it will be multiplied. 3 of x plus 5 is equal to 6x. 3x plus 15 is equal to 6x. Again, 15 is equal to how much? 6x minus 3x. 15 is equal to 3x, or 3x is equal to 15. X is equal to 15 by 3 is equal to 5. Whatever you will do, whatever the process it is easy for you, you just do that one only, my dear friends. Okay? You will get the answer. Here, Subbu says 5. Our mother is equal to 6 into 5. This 30 years. Okay, my dear friends. So, these are the some statements. Okay. First, you have to read the statement correctly. Then you will get the answer. First, read the statement. According to the statement, create the equation. After creating the equation, find the value of the variables, my dear friends. Okay. So, these are the certain examples of 2.4 exercise. Okay. If you remember it, it will be very, very easy for you. Shall we do last one? Okay. What is that? Let's do the last one. Okay. Read the statement once or twice carefully, so that your equation will be correct, means your answer will also correct. Okay? Okay, my dear friends? Now, it is saying that Aman age is 3 times his son's age. What is that? Aman age is 3 times of his son's age. Okay? Again, it's saying that 10 years ago, 10 years ago, what happened? 10 years ago, he was 5 times of his son's age. Again, it's asking us, find the present age. Find the present age. Again, my dear friends, read the statement very carefully. Aman age is, this is the 10th number. Okay. Aman age is 3 times of his son age. Whose age is not given? Aman age is not given. Aman's son age is not given. Let's Aman's son age is, Aman's son's age is equal to x. Then what about Aman age? Aman age is how much? 3 times of his son age means 3x. Understood, my dear friends? Again, it is saying that 10 years ago, ago means it is the past, means 10 years ago minus of x. Okay? Again, it is saying that if it will be subtract from here, from the father says also it will subtract from here. Yes or no? It's saying that 10 years ago he was 5 times of his son age. This is the equation of 10 years ago. Okay? Present age is x, present age of Aman is 3x. 10 years ago means minus of 10 years, because past is there, minus of 10 in both the cases, because son age is going back means father is also going back. Okay, so remember this one. Okay, so it's saying that 10 years back, what it will happen? He was 5 times of his son. This is Aman age. Then how much it will be? 5 times of this much. This is the equation, this form, and it's saying that find the ages, find the present age is saying, because x is what? It is the present age. Okay, so how we will do it? First multiply it. Take out the bracket. 3x minus 50. Okay? Okay? How much? Bring the variables one side and constant another side. Okay? Minus 50 plus 50. Minus plus 3x minus 3x. 2x is equal to 10 minus 50. How much? 40. X is equal to 40 by 2. How much? 20. This is Aman's son says. What Aman says? Aman's present age is how much? 3x. How much it will be? 3 into 20. How much it is? 60 years. Like this manner, you have to find out the value of the variables. Okay. So here the important topics are what? Read the statement correctly. Understood it very carefully. After understood that, form the equation in a correct manner. And third one is what? Find the value by step process and get the value of the variable. Okay, my dear friends. So this is the 2.4 exercise of standard 8. What is that? Linear equation in one variable. Remember it, remember the fundas and do the answer. Okay. Thank you. Have a nice day, my friend. If you like it, subscribe it. If you write any comments, then write it. Okay. Thank you.